Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is Sandy for PolkaDoodles. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can make beautiful handmade greeting cards using papers, dies, stamps, along with digital images from PolkaDoodles. You'll find my PolkaDoodles supply list with links in the area right underneath this video. Enjoy the tutorial! We're going to work with a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 card base, a couple of strips from the PolkaDoodles Butterfly Daisy 6x6 paper pack, a downloadable printable digital stamp, a stamp sentiment from the PolkaDoodles Belle Papillon clear stamp set, and we're going to die cut a tag from the PolkaDoodles, I love that name, PolkaDoodles tag, and leaf and flower die cuts from the Daisy Cluster die set. First, I lay my papers on the card base and do a little bit of eye measuring. I then bring my papers over to my paper trimmer and cut accordingly. I then add permanent double-sided tape to the back of my designer paper and adhere them to the card base. Next, I add the die-cut flowers with dimensional dots. But first, I like to kind of just place my image and my stamp sentiment on top of my card just to give me a good idea of how I want my flowers placed. And once I finish applying the main elements to my homemade greeting card, I just add a couple of bling pieces like the sequin that you see here, and I'm done. I hope that you found this handmade greeting card tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to make one or a few of your very own. Remember to check out my PolkaDoodles supply list in the area underneath this video. Thank you so very much for watching and happy paper crafting!